In our industry, there are people who gave it everything, not for recognition and not for applause, but because it's simply their life. They built sawmills, they took care of their teams, they made decisions that shaped entire operations. And they did it with their character, with consistency, and with heart. We started Woodworld to say thank you, to honor those people, to keep their names, their stories, and their voices alive. Because you won't find this in books or on websites. This is real wisdom. It's lived experience and the soul of our trade. I want people in this industry and beyond to know who came before them. And know it's not just by the numbers or these company names, but the voices, the faces, and the stories. So future generations can watch a video and say, that was my dad, that was my mentor. And that's what they believed in. We want to sit down with these folks and have an honest conversation. I ask them, and I'm gonna listen. We try to capture what matters. I want to understand how they think, the way they lead, the way they work, and why it matters to them. If this speaks to you and you want to be part of it, please share this project. Let us know whose story we should tell next. And if you'd like to support an episode or become a sponsor, well, we'd be proud to build this with you.